There were many blows over the years, however I think the biggest of all was his split from Jules, which blindsided him and left him hopeless. Jules had loyally supported him for over 30 years, but I personally believe this was the real start of his demise. In 2023 he became seriously ill, however there was some light during that time. His niece Jenny, our daughter Jenny, had given birth to a beautiful girl, Alara, who I think you've all met. Jennifer's going to hate me for this, but Jennifer has an excellent singing voice and she'd soothe the baby by singing. I would send these videos to him 2 or 3 times a week. He loved them, they made him cry, but he would eagerly await them and any new pictures. I hope the cold case team enjoyed Jenny's singing as much as he did, as they are now in possession of his phone. A deep regret held, I'm sure, by you all here today is that his name wasn't cleared in his lifetime, and I feel this is just so sad.